Hey, thank you for clicking on the video today. We are going to be doing an unboxing video for this Shark AI Ultra robot. And the thing I really like about these robots is they have the self-empty base. The unit just vacuums until it's full and it knows, okay, I got to go unload, and then it gets back to the job. So I really like that about having the self-empty base, and it is bagless, super convenient. Okay, so we got the unit all unboxed now. And so basically this is the Shark robot. This is the unit that's gonna go around your house and it's gonna pick up the debris. And then it's gonna return to the dock. This is the dock unit. So we purchased this robot because we have one on the main level and we really like it. But when we wanna vacuum the basement, we have to pick it up and carry it down. We don't bring the dock down so the robot doesn't self-empty. The robot just stops where it's at and it says, return to dock. So we're going to actually replace our one on the main level now, and we're going to take the other one downstairs. So we've got all the protective film removed from the Shark robot. Now we're going to actually flip it over and we're going to install the two brushes that go up front. The two brushes came inside this little red pouch. The next step is we basically set the dock up where it's going to go, and we put the robot on it, and we're going to let it actually charge for about 6 hours now. We're going to put it right next to the old one because it is going to replace the old one, and the old one's going to go downstairs. Thank you for watching the video on the unboxing of the Shark AI Ultra robot. Check out the description. I'll leave a link to the product in the description so you can go and check it out for yourself. And stay tuned because I'm going to have some more videos on setting this Shark AI robot up in the future. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.